today's video, I will be reviewing and installing this wig from Unice Hair. It sent me out their 13x4 frontal body wave wig in 24 inches. Now this wig does come pre-everything. Not only that, but it is a glueless frontal wig, so it comes with this attachable adjustable band to help the wig fit more secure if you want to wear it glueless. It also comes with these adhesive strips on the actual air flaps just to hold the wig down if you do decide to wear it glueless for a little bit more security. And when I pulled the wig out, it did have like a smell. I can't even really explain it. It's not like it was a bad smell, but it wasn't like it was a good smell either. Like, I know that sounds so weird, but like it did have a little scent to it. At this point, I'm just measuring to see how much of the air flaps I'll have to cut out. And surprisingly, I didn't have to do that much. This wig fit like a glove. I ended up only having to cut that one side. But yeah, these are the little adhesive strips, so when applying them, just take that little blue paper off and it'll reveal that sticky side, and that just sticks right down. Measuring out, making sure that the lace is placed exactly where I want it before I stick this down, because y'all, once y'all stick it down, it'll be a headache to try to take it off. So make sure you measure out where you want it to go specifically before you place it down. It is transparent lace, that's why you see that kind of gray shadow, but with a little makeup it would have blended right in. Like I said, this wig is 100% glueless, so I really could have just went about my day like this, but I planned on having this on for a little bit. I didn't want to like take it off or anything at night, especially since I laid the air flaps down. So I was like, let me go ahead and just use a little bit of my got2b to spray it down. If I haven't already said, this wig is pre-everything, so it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the lace is already cut for you.
Say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. If the truth is not hiding, that's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that.
The melt on this is crazy. Like, I could already tell straight out the pack that it was good lace, but this right here is ridiculous. I don't even have any makeup on it yet. I haven't even cleaned up around the edges, and it's so good. The thing that's really getting me about this wig is the fact that it only took me less than 5 minutes to put it on my head. When it comes to frontal wigs, it usually take me a minute because the air flaps do not be fitting. The lace don't be given like they be advertising. But this right here, it's giving everything that they've said so far. At this point, I still have no makeup on the lace. I love that this wig is clearly like you can get away without wearing baby hairs. Some wigs you need baby hairs to kind of like mask the imperfections in the lace, but the lace is so good. I could have just dabbed a little bit of makeup and I'd have been good. It'd have been coming from scalp. Nobody would have known.
Yeah, maybe we can start like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just felt like that. Yeah, maybe we just felt like that.
Like I'm the man, yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, don't hold no right. Yeah, good against better than nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a playing when I'm coming for the kitty, got my phone goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams and they heels, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what the time would it kill? We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on the button like a button.
Like I said, this is a frontal unit, so it's very versatile. Have it in the middle part right now. I could part it on the side. Hold it. Part it on the side, and it's still giving scalp. I can part it on this side. And it's still giving scalp. It's just, I could even probably do half up, half down. Very versatile, very cute. I didn't really experience any shedding. Let me show y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like a little bit. I also do have snag nails, so I'm pretty sure I just pulled that out. But yeah, it's not really no shedding, which is always a plus. Final thoughts, I really think this wig is really nice, especially if you're a beginner with the wigs. You don't really want to have to do too much to the wigs, but you want to put it on yourself. This wig is perfect. I didn't bleach any of the knots. I believe it is supposed to be pre-bleached, but the knots didn't look like they were bleached to me when I got them. I didn't bleach them. I didn't have to cut no lace. I didn't have to pluck no lace. And then the air flaps too are a really nice addition. Surprisingly, this wig was very quick and easy to put on. Usually, because my head is so small, I know it don't look like it right now, but my head is so small, I am like usually fighting with the wigs to get them to fit on my head. And this one, it didn't go on with a fight. It fit kind of perfect, and that's always a plus. As far as the actual hair, it's very, very soft, not too thick really. It must be 150 density. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I will double check, and all the information will be listed down in the description below. I love how easy it melted. They really did a nice job with the plucking. I didn't have to go back behind and clean up anything. I have used those adhesive tapes. They're not usually my favorite, but it did what it needed to do in this instance, and they did give me extra. I can't think off the top of my head how long it is exactly, but I can show you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section and I got you. Happy New Year. Many blessings to you and your loved ones. Stay safe out here, and I will see y'all in my next video.